Hi everyone, thanks again for joining me on Sealed for Good. Today I'm going to introduce to you a product, P20. What is Gripset P20? Well, those of you who've been around for a while might recall this product we had many years ago. We parked it, we weren't happy with the way we were producing it or what it could do. And so it's been in development phase for a few years, but we've come back now with a big bang, and the Gripset P20 has been reinvigorated. And it's a polyurethane clear sealer. And this is the next phase of where Gripset's products are going, where we're going to have an offering of various clear sealers for different applications. But the Gripset P20 is a water-based polyurethane sealer, primarily designed for external applications. So it will protect surfaces against staining, it protects surfaces against any absorption of oils or materials you don't want, but particularly we use it on applications over things like our Gripset LS roof coat, where you have a non-slip flooring, or even our P20, non-slip flooring on a roof or a plant area that's over a membrane, but you want to prevent that staining and that dirt absorption, which you just can't avoid, or where there may be heavier traffic, and the P20 can be applied directly over that. It gives you a nice moderate gloss finish over that surface, and then what you have from there is a product that if you want to clean it down, pressure clean it down, wash it down, you can. You'll get it back to an appearance with how you want your job looking like, instead of just collecting all dirt and grime, etc. A great sealer for many applications, got very good chemical resistance, got outstanding weather resistance, and very high durability. So for foot traffic areas, this one can take a lot of hammering from a foot pedestrian traffic area, whether you want to put it directly on concrete or you put it on a product like the LS roof coat. Most importantly, when you do put it on something like the LS roof coat that's got its ratings for non-slip to the Australian standards, you won't lose those non-slip ratings when you use it in that application. So that's an important one. Some sealers, particularly with some of our epoxies we've had, because they're so heavy in consistency, they can actually take away from the non-slip factor. You won't get that with the P20, and that's a big benefit, and that's been a question that architects and engineers have asked when they're wanting to specify a polyurethane sealer on surfaces. Now, I'm just going to quickly mention this one. You might have seen our first issue of the Gripset catalogue. Well, the next issue is going to come out with a whole lot of information about where we're going with clear sealers in our ranges. I thought I'd just give you a quick plug. If you haven't received that yet, you can get that online, you can ring us up or go to your GAPP resellers, they've got that for you. But the information will come through in our next catalogue about our clear sealers, and P20 will be one of those. It's a product that you won't use in areas where you are going to lay tiles, for example, but one of the big benefits of this is that we've had applications where projects have needed a membrane sealed, and then they know that maybe in a year to 3 years time they're going to lay tiles or they're going to put some other finish on top. The beauty of P20 is that we basically can give it a clean. We can get one of our other primers on top of that, put a liquid membrane over the top or a sheet, and then you can tile over the top of that directly. You don't have to grind or remove it, abrasive removal. So that's the benefit. It works in with our systems and all our technologies, and it's a simple one to use. If you've got any questions on that, please call 1-800-650-435 or drop us a DM or email us. Remember guys, if you haven't subscribed to this YouTube channel, do that, because you're going to miss out on lots of other good information if you haven't. Be part of that change. I'll see you next week on Sealed for Good.